tapon mao kini ang message. Special nga adlaw nga Sabado. Tungod kay mao kini ang ika-13 ka Sabado o 13 Sabat. Ang youth department kini nga simbahan mao magdumala sa divine service. Ug kami malipayon sa pag-abi-abi kaninyo. Good morning and happy 13 Sabat everyone. Atong pasalamatan ang Ginoo nga siya kanunay nag-auban kanato. Kaya tagan niya kita og maayong panglawas ug karon anya kita niini nga simbahan aron sa pagsimba ug dayeg kaniya. Before ta magasugod mga kaigsuonan sa atong divine service, ako sa pagbasaon ng atong program. Church at worship, worship through praise, call to worship by the Besider, Sabbath hymn, we love thy Sabbath Lord. Meditation, youth, enjoy all the glory of your presence. Hymn of adoration, may gather together. Hymn number 5, invocation by the speaker. Worship through intercession, call for intercession by the song leaders. Hymn of intercession, I cast all my cares. Intercessory prayer, Sister Visitor. Worship through giving, tithes and offering. Brother Leonard III Artugas. Offertory hymn, showers of blessing. Doxology, bless thou these gifts. Offertory prayer, Brother Leonard III Artugas. Worship through His Word. Scripture reading, Sister Arlene Faith Abayon. Call to prayer, as we come to you in prayer. Pastoral prayer, Sister Arlene Faith Abayon. Prayer response, prepare our hearts. Message in song, youth. Message, Sister Arian Grace Llama. Worship through consecration, hymn of consecration, sound of battle cry, hymn number 427. Benediction, Brother Marty Andiama. Hymn of hope, we have this hope. Presider, Brother Leonard III Artugas. Song leader, Sister Visitor. Mao kini ang atong program mga kaigsuonan. Kung magpasunod kini sumala sa akong ibasa. Once again, happy 13th Sabbath everyone. May God bless us all.